Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again at OptionAlpha.com, and welcome back to the trading alerts video that we do here every night on the membership site. Again, if you're checking out this video and you're on YouTube or some other public stream, just realize that this video is always posted publicly 5 to 7 days after it's posted just for our members. So if you want to get access to these trade alerts, you got to sign up for a membership at OptionAlpha.com. So the trades that we had today, we didn't have any opening trades, and that's okay. We actually had a lot of orders that were working, just no pricing that actually came through the market. So kind of a little bit of a bummer on that end, but we did have some closing trades that we took off and closed those out at small debits. So this is going to be a fairly short video, not as long as the other ones, but I did want to go over the two closing alerts that we had. The first one is the vertical put spread that we had on P, which is Pandora, and we bought back 6 of the vertical spreads that we had. We had the 24-23 put spread, and we bought it back today for 5 cents per spread, and we made a profit of $20 per spread. Now again, a lot of you have emailed me about this profit figure, and I'll always put the profit per spread, not the actual total profit. So in this case, we made $120 on the trade. It was $20 with 6 spreads that we had traded. Then let's go to the actual chart of Pandora. You'll see exactly what happened. And even though implied volatility has remained fairly high in Pandora, actually pretty good up above the 50th percentile all day, it actually was the fact that Pandora had moved up about 14% today. So whatever the news was, I have no idea, and again, don't even care what it is, but the news, whatever made the stock jump about 14% today, obviously helped our position because we were down here below the market. And so since we had sold the put spread below the market, we want the market to rally up or at least stay the same. And so that's what it did. So we're going to take money off the table. There's no sense in holding it for another 14 days or so just to collect $5 in premium. We've made the vast majority of the potential profit here, so we get rid of the trade and move on. All right, so let's go back here and take a look at the other trade. The other trade that we closed out was the vertical call spread on VXX. And VXX is that volatility ETF. And it has that kind of weird feature that it seems to always go down that contango feature that it has. And we had originally sold the call spread when the VIX had jumped a little bit, so VXX had had a nice little pop-up as well, and implied volatility was obviously high. We had sold the 49.51 call spread. I think we sold it for around 43 cents or so. So we made a nice little profit of $48 per spread, so about 150 bucks on this trade altogether. So again, we'll take a look at where VXX traded right now. And again, it's mainly because the spread kind of came really close to that zero barrier. But again, we traded this when we had this nice little pop in volatility. And even though it doesn't look like a lot on the chart, just to move from 44 to 48, that was enough with the VXX and the VIX trading up around 15 or so that we felt confident selling that call spread above the market. So again, we sold that call spread above the market. We want VXX to go down. You can see it's even bounced up here a little bit, but the premium is starting to really decay on this thing pretty quickly as we get closer to expiration. You see right now the implied volatility percentile is only at the 5 percentile, meaning that 95% of the time it's usually above where it is right now. So implied volatility is very low, also making it very hard to enter new credit spreads, iron condors, strangles, etc. So that's what we've been looking at right now. We've got a lot of trades that we have working, about 6 or 7 trades that are in the queue kind of working right now, and we're working today, just didn't get the right pricing. So I would expect over the next day or so that we should get a lot of those trades filled. We should be pretty active here over the next couple days. So as always, check out the trading alerts, get them on your phone, sign up at OptionAlpha.com, and have a great day.